Our strategy is as follows. Whenever the momentum shifts upward and the Schaff trend cycle also shifts upward, there is a high probability that the trend will move up in the next minute. In this case, we place a 1-minute trade. We use 5-second Heiken Ashi candles. This method requires a bit of patience. Let's wait for the trade to be done. Make sure to trade what you can afford to lose. Practice first before dealing with real account. The trade usually moves smoothly in a sideways to upward direction and has produced good results. Let's trade at another good spot. Take a look at this. The Schaff trend is smoothly trending upward. However, our momentum is in a mid-range state, which gives this setup a lower chance of success. Still, let's trust the Schaff trend, as it makes this 1-minute trading method effective. This strategy does not guarantee future results. It is best to use it for demo purposes before trading on a live or a real account. Some methods have a good or high chance of success, depending on market fluctuations, and risk management is essential for every trade. The trend goes up, resulting in a perfect winning trade. Follow us for more strategies like this, and don't forget to like and subscribe to receive the latest strategies for pocket option and other trading brokers. Take a look at this chart. The Schaff trend is at the lowest point, while our momentum indicator is showing red bars moving toward the middle level. Let's try to trade with it for 1 minute. We have a 50-50 situation here, hoping the trade turns into a win. Luckily, luck is on our side.